Hey guys, this whole section is dedicated to your calculation skills. The better and faster you are at calculations without calculator, the better score you will get at your test. So let's start with the quick math one. This quick math I'm gonna start. There are 20 questions in it. Every quick math has 20 questions. So there are 10 tests. So I'll try to solve all of them, but if I solve 5, you are gonna solve 5 rest of the 5 tests within 5 minutes. So what happens, you start the test with a stopwatch, start it, and you put 5 minutes alarm there, alright? So after 5 minutes the alarm bells and you just stop and you see how many questions have you solved, alright? Then you just put away the alarm and start solving the questions again. You solve all 20 questions, okay? And after solving it, like without alarm, you again put alarm for 5 minutes. Again start solving it. So you keep doing it again and again. As how long does it take to get to 5 minutes? So that depends. Some people start solving the quick maths like in three tries, 2 tries. Some people have to take like 10 tries. So that depends on every person. All right. So you have to put alarm for 5 minutes and start solving it. Okay. So there are prereqs for this. You need to memorize multiplication tables till 20. You need to memorize squares till 30. You need to memorize cubes till 10 or 11. And you need to memorize those things which I have mentioned in my very first video of shortcuts. So you better cram that video, every bit of it. When you cram those things, the squares, the cubes, the under roots, the fractions and percentages, you'll be better off in this quick math because everything I told you there is going to be used here. Alright, so let's start with this quick math 1. But you make sure that you solve it before watching this video. Put an alarm for 5 minutes, start solving it for 5 minutes, and then come to this video and see how can you solve it faster. For every video, for every quick math you have to do that. Alright, so the quick math 1. First question, it's an easy question. 596 plus 273. 237. 596 plus 237. So it's not a big deal. 7 and 6, 13, 9, 1 carried out, 10, 13, again 1 carried out, and 8, 33. That's your answer. Alright. So question number 2 is 296 minus 189. So again, if you are solving it along with me, it's fine, but you better solve it beforehand. Alright. 16 minus 9, 7, 8 minus 8, 0, 2 minus 1, 1. If you are unable to solve this thing, make sure that you practice these things again. Alright, but I'm alright. You carried 1, borrowed 1 from here, it's 16 and it's 8. 16 minus 9, 7. Now it's 8 minus 8, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. Alright, in case you forgot to subtract things. Alright, okay. Third question, 5 cube plus 7 cube. 5 cube plus 7 cube. So I already told you, you have to cram those cubes and squares. So 5 cube is 125. You are not supposed to start multiplying 5 3 times here. Please, no. Memorize those things because otherwise you won't be able to solve it in 5 minutes. Or same goes to the ultimate test. You won't be able to solve all questions within the given time. So improve your speed. Alright, 7 cube 343. So 5 plus 3 8, 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 4, 468, and the option C is the correct answer. Option C. Alright, 15 square minus 12 square. 15 square minus 12 square. 225 minus 144. Same, correct. You have to memorize those things. 5 minus 4, 1, 2. So 1 borrowed. 12 minus 4, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So 81 is your answer. Alright. So it's option A. Move to question number 5. 78 multiplied by 0.33333. 78 multiplied by 0.33333. So remember this 0.3333 is 1 over 3. Good. 78 times 1 over 3. 3 2 is 6, 1 18, 3 6 is 18. If you are unable to solve, cancel it out like this. So put this 78 inside and we'll cancel it out with 3 divided by 3. 3 2 is 6 minus 1, bring it down, 3 6 is 18. But this is gonna take longer. So don't try this if you can solve this. Alright? Okay, next question. 25 divided by 1 over 4. 25 divided by 1 over 4. So mostly students divide 25 by 4 and get the answer 6.25. That's wrong. It's 25 divided by 1 over 4. It's not 25 multiplied by 1 upon 4. 25 multiplied by 1 upon 4 means 25 divided by 4. This is not this. This is this. So whenever you see a division sign here, what you do, you convert it into multiplication and take the reciprocal of the following value. 1 over 4 will be 4 over 1. So 25 4s are 100 is your answer. Alright. So next question. 61.27 plus 32.35. So I am comfortable with this. Divide by in vertical addition. So 7 plus 5 12, 1 carried, 3 2 5 and 1 6, 2 1 3, 6 plus 3 93.62. Okay, 93.62. 93.62. This C is a option. Question number 8 is 289 to the power 1 over 2 minus 196 to the power 1 over 2. 289, 186. 289 minus 196. Whenever you see this power 1 over 2 sign, it simply means square root. Alright, under root 9 is 3. This under root 9 can also be written as this. 9 power 1 over 2 is also 3. Or you can write it 9 to the power 0.5. So these all mean sign. So this is under root 289 actually, and this is under root 196. So all you need to do is remember that 289 is square of what number? So as you have memorized the squares till 30, so 289 is the square of 17. Yes. Minus 196 is square of 14. 7 minus 14 is 3. 3 is your answer. Okay. So this is your answer 3. So number 9 is similar. 729 to the power 1 over 2 plus 25 to the power 1 over 2. So 729 is the square of 27. So square root is 27. 25 is the square of 5. So its square root is 5. 27 plus 5 is 32. So your answer is 32. Here it is, 32. So next question is 7.235 minus 6.421. 7.235 minus 6.421. 5 minus 1, 4, 3 minus 2, 1. So you have to borrow 1 from here. 12 minus 4, 8. 6 minus 6, 0. 0.814. Here it is, 0.814. Okay. Question number 11 is this. 343 to the power 1 over 3 divided by 27 to the power 1 over 3. Now this is power 1 over 3. Earlier it was power 1 over 2. So whenever it's power 1 over 3, you have to see that 343 is cube of something. So 343 is cube of what? 7. divided by 27 is cube of 3. 7 divided by 3. This is one way of cancelling them out. The recommended way. 3 2s are 6, 1, 10, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and so on. If you are uncomfortable with this method, then 7 divided by 3, you can divide it in conventional way. 3 2s are 6, 1, 3 3s are 9, and so on. It will just keep going. So 2.33 is your answer. That is here 2.33. Okay, even 1 3 would suffice, doesn't matter. Question number 12. 144 multiplied by 0.166666 5 times 6. 5 times 6. Again, that first lecture comes into play. This 0.16666 is 1 over 6. You have to memorize those things, please. Times 144. 6 2s are 12. 2, 24, 6 4s are 24. And that's 24. 24 is your answer. That's here A option. Alright. And question number 13. 0.31 divided by 0.3333. That is 1 over 3. 0.33333 is 1 over 3. 0.31 divided by 1 over 3. Divided by 1 over 3 means multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 1 2 1 2. So what's the rule? Count the decimal places. After decimal, how many numbers are there? 2. So you have to come back to decimal places. 1 2 0.93. Alright, so your answer is 0.93. Here it is, option B. Okay, 14 is a bit similar question. 5.21 multiplied by 2.1. So after decimal 1 2, after decimal 1, so 1 2 3. So there are 3 decimal places in the whole question. So whatever you do in the end, you have to move back 3 decimal places. So what you do, you multiply 521 with 21. 1 2 5, 2 4 10, 1 4 9 0 1. So how many places? 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So your answer is 10.941. Okay, and the answer is here 10.941 is this D. Okay, question number 15 is 7 whole 1 over 7 plus 12 whole 7 over 9. It seems a difficult question to some. It's not. What comes in your mind when you look at this type of questions? I know. So 7 times 7, 49 plus 1, 50 over 7, and 12 times 9 and all that. No, it's gonna take you so long. We have got a shortcut for this type of questions. And what's that? Alright, let's start with this example. Tell me, what is 2 and half and 2 and half? 2 and half and 2 and half. 5, yeah. So I'm gonna write it here. 2 and half plus 2 and half. What did you do? Did the same thing you just thought? 2 to the 4 and 1, 5 over 2 and all that, and took LCM, and no way, you didn't do that. Let me tell you what you did. You added these two values separately, 2 and 2, 4, and you added these two values separately, half and half, 1, that made 5. So your answer is 5. If I had asked you like what is 3 and half and 2 and half, you would have said like it's 3 and 2 5 and 1 6. Yeah. So what you're doing, you are actually adding whole number separately and fractional part separately. So it means this is possible. Let's do that here. 7 and 12 are whole parts. So add them separately. 7 plus 12, 19. And 1 over 7 and 7 over 9 separate. 1 over 7 and 7 over 9. Now, LCM. So, what to do? There are two ways actually. One, make these denominators same. Okay? And the second is just the LCM way. What you do in LCM? You multiply these two. 9 sevens are 63. Now you divide 63 by 7. 7 nines are 63. 9 ones are 9. 9 divide 63 by 9. 9 sevens are 63. You got 7. 7 sevens are 49. Now I don't do that. What I do? I multiply these two. 9 sevens are 63. Then I multiply this with this. 9 ones are 9. 7 sevens are 49. I multiply them in cross. But only when there are plus and minus here. You only take LCM when there is plus or minus. You don't take it in multiplication. Alright? Okay. So 9 sevens are 63 is the LCM. 9 ones are 9. 7 sevens are 49. 49 and 9 is 58 over 63. So you got it. 19 whole 58 over 63. Again. 7 plus 12 19. 9 and 7 LCM 63. 9 ones are 9, 7 sevens are 49. 9 plus 49 58. Just in one go you do all this. So with practice you don't need to do all these things even. You just look at the question and give the answer. But of course you need a bit of practice. So 19 whole 58 over 63 is here. 19 whole this option D. Alright. Alright, question number 15 is this. 7 whole 1 over 7 plus 12 whole 7 over 9. So, 7 plus 12, 19. Alright, I do the same question. Alright, question number 16. 12 whole 1 over 3 plus 5 whole 1 over 5. So 12 and 5 whole numbers 17. 5 3 LCM 15. 5 ones are 5, 3 ones are 3. 5 plus 3 8. So it's 17 whole 8 over 15. The similar question we did earlier. Okay. So the answer is 17 8 over 15 here. 17 8 over 15 option B. Okay. Let's move to next question. Question 17. 5.3 multiplied by 1.5. So there is one decimal place after point. There is one decimal place here. I mean there is one integer after decimal. There is one integer. So there are two integers. So you simple multiply 53 with 15. I hope you memorized the multiplication table of 15. If didn't, then do it. 15 3s are 45. 15 5s are 75 plus 4 79. So how many places do I have to go back? 1 2 1 2. That's 7.95 and the answer is here 7.95 is this option B. Okay. 18 question. 53.78, 27.32, 54.17. You have to add these numbers. Okay. So do it. 7, 8 to 10 and 7, 17, 10, 11 and 2, 12, 10 and 5, 15, 10 and 3, 13. 135.27. 135.27 is A. Okay. So 19. 8 whole 2 over 5 divided by 7 over 3. So now it's division. So whenever there is division or multiplication, you can't do that thing, whole number separate and fraction separate. Now you can't take LCM in division and multiplication. Okay. So 5 8s are 40, 40 plus 2, 42 over 5. And this is division, multiply by that will be opposite, reciprocal, 3 over 7. Then you can cancel them out. 7 times 6, 48. Alright, you can't cancel anymore. 6 times 3, 18. 5 times 1, 5. Alright, 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 30, 5 6 are 30. So that's 3.6 is your answer. 3.6 in option B. Question number 20. 28.57% of 63 is equal to, of means multiplication. 28.57% of 63, of means multiplication. This 28.57% is equal to 2 over 7 if you have memorized those things I have told you in the first lecture. Alright, the shortcuts. Do it, please. It comes handy when you need it. 7 9s are 63, 9 2s are 18. You see how much time and energy have you saved? Okay? Alright, that's it for now.